Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to make this Easter banner using your Cricut machine. If you would like to see how I made it, just keep on watching. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to images and select your banner shape. If you already have a Cricut subscription, then some of these images may be free to use. So like here I'm just clicking filter, then free, and I'm selecting this banner shape, this pennant shape. Now I'm going to resize this shape to 5x7, and later you'll see that I remove these slits that are already in the banner because I don't want that rectangle slit. I want to create actual circle shaped holes. So we're going to go to contour and deselect that so that it removes it from the shape. Now we're going to copy that same shape and make it slightly smaller, so almost like creating a trim. So our top layer will be brown and the back will be orange. And here I'm just making sure that it's the same size as the one I created previously. You know, you want everything to be the same. You don't want the previous letter to be bigger. So I'm just making sure everything is the same and making sure that the top layer is brown. Now to create your circle shapes, you go to shapes and select the circle, and you're going to want to resize that. Here I'm just using the one I created before as a guide, making it smaller. And I'm going to copy that same shape to create the second hole. Now, in order to create the holes, you're gonna have to use this. You're gonna have to slice these shapes onto each layer. But with the slice tool, you can only work with one layer at a time. So I'm gonna hide the orange shade and work with the top layer first. After you group both circles together, you're gonna want to drag the circles away from all the layers and select weld so that the Cricut knows to cut this as one. Now you're going to want to drag the circles back and slice through your brown layer. And you've created your holes. Now I'm dragging the circles back because I want the top layer and the back layer to have the same circles. So I'm just hiding the brown layer and slicing the holes through the orange layer. Now I'm just typing my A and making sure that it's 3x5. And now that you've created the holes onto your pennant shape, you can just copy and paste each layer to it'll make things so much easier. So you see me doing that here. I'm just copying the orange layer and then changing the color. This one I want it to be yellow. I was kind of going for I wanted to make the banner colorful. I kind of went with pastel colors. Here I'm just trying to find the right yellow shade. So now you can see I'm just copying and pasting the layers that I've already done and choosing the colors that I want, just to kind of speed up the process. I wanted to add an actual image of a bunny, so here I'm just copying the same banner shape, aligning it, and then I'm gonna go to images and look for type in bunny and look for the one I want to use. Make sure it's not on free though, so you can see everything. There's so many different ones, I just went with that one. And here I'm just resizing 3x5, and you'll see that it was slightly too big, so I had to adjust it so that it fit better on the shape. I also wanted the bunny to be facing the other side, so I went to flip and then horizontal. And the next part is just really easy. You're gonna copy and paste, since you'll be using the same colors. Here I just wanted to use the same bunny image that I used previously. So I'm just copying the layers and copying the bunny. But this time we're gonna flip it onto the other side. So we're gonna go to flip and press horizontal. Here I'm just grouping everything together so that the letters stay in place and the layers stay in place. And that's it, you have your banner. Super easy. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Also like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.